Ditsala, friends, people, everybody. You know, in life, today, okay, let's just say about just today. I was diverted from one place to another. I thought I was going somewhere, but my people, the ancestors, and everybody who walks this path, the light, the beauty, the happiness that I'm living in, um, diverted me to like, going that way. End up in a restaurant. I won't name the name, but when you answer a calling, you have to trust fully all the way, and without question, without or whatever, you just get you up, have a little fart, and let it lift you to the place that you need to be. Yeah, the fun thing. Anyway, so I always think like we don't talk or express or open ourselves up so much, and as much as I would like to be everywhere and be able to help people, okay, put them like there, help people and help them connect and not divert them to the way I think life should be, but just to remind them just how beautiful they are. People don't smile, people don't show off their teeth, they don't laugh, they've got problems and problems and problems. So I am a healer, shaman. I'm a lover. I'm a person who brings love where it's forgotten. I bring in peace, I bring healing, I bring whatever my guidance, my guides guide me to. Guide me. I need to smoke a joint. I speak better when I smoke. You see, I didn't even hide that. So anyway, I was just thinking like I would like to do a show. It's almost like what you will see as a reality show, but it's just myself, my phone, not selfieing, just thoughts and words. And perhaps somewhere, somehow, somebody relates and somebody gets touched without using my hands. Somebody gets touched and somebody gets helped and healed. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't just be something? So this is the pre of it, and then there's other ones that I do with Gavin Jochems, which is about tending to the grace, like tending to earth. Let's love that soil, the soil that feeds us, makes our tummies who are rumbling into a happiness of happiness, pure freaking joy. Come on now, are you with me?